Potatoes. They're on almost every dinner table around the world. From crispy fries to creamy mashed potatoes, this humble vegetable is often loved for its taste, but overlooked for its nutrition. Did you know that potatoes are actually loaded with essential nutrients that can power your body in more ways than you think? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're breaking down the nutrients in potatoes and how they benefit your health. When we think of healthy foods, many people picture leafy greens, colorful fruits, or nuts and seeds. Potatoes often get a bad reputation as being just carbs or empty calories, but the truth is far from that. This root vegetable is not only affordable and versatile, but also nutrient-dense when prepared the right way. In fact, potatoes have been a staple in diets for centuries across the globe because they provide energy, vitamins, minerals, and even fiber that support overall well-being. Whether boiled, baked, or roasted, potatoes are more than just comfort food. They're a health ally. So, let's dive into the major nutrients in potatoes and explore how each one supports your body. 1. Carbohydrates for energy. The most abundant nutrient in potatoes is carbohydrates. About 70–80% of a potato's dry weight comes from carbs, making them an excellent energy source. These are mostly in the form of starch, which provides slow and steady fuel for your body. Unlike refined carbs found in sugary snacks, the carbs in potatoes are complex, meaning they take longer to break down and keep you fuller for longer. This makes potatoes a great option for athletes, students, or anyone needing sustained energy throughout the day. 2. Dietary fiber for digestion. Potatoes also contain a decent amount of dietary fiber, especially if you eat them with the skin on. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, as it promotes bowel regularity and prevents constipation. What's more, fiber helps control blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, and it can also contribute to lowering cholesterol. This makes potatoes not only filling but also supportive of heart and metabolic health. 3. Vitamin C for immunity. One of the surprising nutrients in potatoes is vitamin C. While most people associate this vitamin with citrus fruits, potatoes actually provide a significant amount of it. A medium-sized potato can give you up to 30% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is vital for boosting immunity, fighting off infections, and acting as a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. It also plays a role in collagen production, keeping your skin, joints, and connective tissues strong and healthy. 4. Vitamin B6 for brain function. Another key nutrient found in potatoes is vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This vitamin is crucial for brain development and function. It helps produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, memory, and mental health. In addition, vitamin B6 supports the body's ability to metabolize proteins and carbohydrates, turning food into usable energy. Eating potatoes can actually give your brain and nervous system the nutrients they need to function at their best. 5. Potassium for heart health. Potatoes are one of the best natural sources of potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium in your diet. Adequate potassium intake supports heart function, reduces the risk of stroke, and keeps your muscles working properly. So, the next time someone says potatoes aren't healthy, just remind them that this simple vegetable can actually be a heart protector. 6. Magnesium and iron for strength. Potatoes also contain smaller but significant amounts of magnesium and iron. Magnesium helps with muscle relaxation, bone health, and energy production, while iron is essential for making hemoglobin, the protein in your blood that carries oxygen. Eating potatoes, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods, can improve iron absorption and help prevent fatigue caused by low iron levels. 7. Antioxidants for protection. Beyond vitamins and minerals, Potatoes contain powerful plant compounds with antioxidant properties. These include flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. Antioxidants are like your body's defense soldiers. They protect your cells from free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Interestingly, the color of the potato skin and flesh often indicates the type of antioxidants present. For example, purple and red potatoes are rich in anthocyanins, the same compounds found in blueberries, which are known for supporting heart and brain health. 8. Resistant starch for gut health. Here's something fascinating. When potatoes are cooked and then cooled, they form a special type of carbohydrate called resistant starch. Unlike regular starch, resistant starch isn't fully digested in the small intestine. Instead, it reaches the large intestine where it acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This helps improve digestion, boosts metabolism, and may even help regulate blood sugar levels. Eating potato salad or reheated potatoes can give you this added gut-friendly benefit. 9. Small amounts of protein. While potatoes aren't a high-protein food, they do contain small amounts of quality protein with essential amino acids. This protein works together with other nutrients to aid muscle repair and overall growth. When paired with protein-rich foods like beans, eggs, or fish, potatoes can contribute to a balanced and nourishing meal. 10. Folate for cell growth. Potatoes also contain folate, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in DNA synthesis and cell division. Folate is particularly important for women during pregnancy, as it helps prevent certain birth defects and supports healthy development of the baby. This makes potatoes not just a comfort food, but also a nutrient that supports life and growth. 11. Comparing potato varieties. Not all potatoes are the same when it comes to nutrients. White and russet potatoes are rich in starch and potassium, while red and purple potatoes tend to have more antioxidants. Sweet potatoes, although technically different from regular potatoes, are especially high in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, great for vision and immunity. Choosing a variety of potatoes in your diet ensures you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. 12. How to prepare potatoes the healthy way. Now, let's be real. The way you prepare potatoes can make or break their nutritional value. French fries and potato chips, though delicious, are often fried in unhealthy oils and loaded with salt, which cancels out the benefits. The healthiest ways to enjoy potatoes include boiling, keeps most of the vitamins intact. Baking or roasting, brings out flavor with little or no oil. Steaming, preserves nutrients while keeping them light. And remember, eating the skin gives you extra fiber and minerals. So, don't peel them off unless necessary. 13. Common myths about potatoes. Potatoes often get a bad reputation for being fattening, but in reality, potatoes by themselves are not the problem. It's the butter, cheese, sour cream, and oil-heavy cooking methods that pile on the extra calories. When eaten in moderation and prepared healthily, potatoes can absolutely be part of a balanced diet. In fact, they provide more nutrients per penny compared to many other vegetables. 14. The role of potatoes in diets. Worldwide, potatoes are the fourth most consumed crop in the world, right after rice, wheat, and corn. They've been a survival food during famines and wars, sustaining populations because of their high nutrient density. Even today, athletes, health enthusiasts, and everyday families rely on potatoes as an affordable, versatile, and nutritious food option. So, as we've seen, potatoes are far from being just carbs. They're rich in energy, fiber, vitamins like C and B6, minerals like potassium and magnesium, and even antioxidants that keep your body strong. When cooked the right way, potatoes can boost your health, support digestion, protect your heart, and fuel your day with natural energy. Next time you enjoy a plate of potatoes, Remember, you're not just eating comfort food, you're giving your body a complete package of nutrients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Green Bite for more health guides and nutrition tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.